Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of the top 5 places to see in Malta. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the beautiful medieval walled city of Medina, also known as the Silent City. This stunning town is located in the center of Malta and is famous for its narrow streets, Baroque architecture, and stunning views of the surrounding countryside. As you walk through the town, you'll feel like you've been transported back in time to the medieval era. The city's fortified walls, gates, and towers are well preserved and offer visitors a glimpse into Malta's rich history. Be sure to check out St. Paul's Cathedral, a beautiful Baroque church that dates back to the 17th century. Next up, we have the stunning Blue Lagoon located on the small island of Comino. With crystal clear waters and a white sandy beach, it's a popular spot for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. The lagoon's bright blue waters are so clear that you can see all the way to the bottom, making it a great place to spot marine life like colorful fish and starfish. You can also rent a boat to explore the nearby sea caves and coves. At number 3, we have the beautiful Gozo Island, which is located just a short ferry ride away from Malta. Gozo is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and unspoiled natural landscapes. One of the island's most famous landmarks is the Azure Window, a natural limestone arch that unfortunately collapsed in 2017. However, there are still plenty of other beautiful natural sights to see on the island, including the stunning Ramla Bay Beach and the historic Gantija temples, which are some of the oldest freestanding structures in the world. Coming in at number 2, we have the Three Cities, a collective term for 3 fortified cities located across the Grand Harbor from Valletta, Vittoriosa, Sanglia, and Cospicua. These cities are filled with narrow streets, historic buildings, and impressive fortifications that date back to the Knights of St. John era. Be sure to visit the Inquisitor's Palace in Vittoriosa, which is now a museum that showcases Malta's cultural heritage. And finally, at number 1, we have the beautiful capital city of Valletta. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to many historic buildings, museums, and churches, and is famous for its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Grand Harbor. As you walk through the city, you'll feel like you're stepping back in time to the Renaissance era. Be sure to visit St. John's Co-Cathedral, one of the most impressive churches in Malta, and the Upper Baraka Gardens, which offer stunning panoramic views of the harbor. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video and wants to visit Malta one day. If you want to see more places, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. See you guys later.